Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see on the title of this video, I'm going to show you on how to stream movies on Discord. Before we start, did you guys know what is Discord? Discord is an application where we can interact and communicate with your friends via texting, voice, and video call. And you also can join a server where larger communities can interact with each other. So, during this pandemic, I know a lot of you guys want to go out with your friends, spending your time with your friends, watching movies, but sadly, we have movement control order. So, we cannot go out because of this COVID-19 pandemic. So, today I'm going to show you on how to start streaming for you to watch drama or movies with your friends. Firstly, I'm going to show you what the application do we need. Secondly, I'm going to show you on how to set up the Discord. And lastly, I will show you on how to start streaming. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, you need to install these two applications, Discord and VLC Media Player. After you install them, open the Discord apps and you need to register an account on your name. But for me, I already have an account, so I don't need to create a new one. Just log in. After you log in, you will see the interface like this and you need to create a server. Go to your left and click add a server. Choose create my own and for me and my friends. You can enter whatever the name of your server. For me, I'm going to enter movies. Also, you can upload a picture for your server icon here. And then, click create. After you created the server, as you can see here, there's a voice channel. Either you can use the general one or you can create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. After you have created the channels, click the name of your channel and enter the voice call. As you can see here, there's two options, video and screen. This is for you to video call and this is for you to share your screen or stream. And now what you need to do is open your file, the movie that you want to stream, right click them, open with play with VLC Media Player. After you play them, go back to your Discord and click share your screen and choose the name of your movie and click go live. And now, get some snacks, get some drinks, and you are set.
To be concluded, the steps that we have go through to stream movies on Discord are: first, we have learned on what the application do we need on your laptop. Secondly, we have learned on how to set up the Discord apps. And lastly, we have learned about how to start streaming. So with that, I hope you guys find it easy to understand the tutorial that I have shown you on how to use Discord as a platform where we can enjoy some movies with your friends without even have to meet them. So that is all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.